Well, YouTube keeps telling me I should do a description video for the channel, so here we go. I don't know if you got here either from Blazer videos, Silverado videos, Beretta videos, probably not the Camaro here. Basically, if it has a clutch pedal and it's a Chevy, I'm all over it. If your car has one of those two, then it only kind of half sucks. But if it's got both, you're good to go. The Camaro here is a T56 383. The truck is a ZF6 81. The Blazer is an NV 3500 4.3. The Beretta's a 3.4 5-speed, getting a 4.8 5-speed rear-wheel drive conversion. That's all stuff you'll see here. This thing is a huge project. Been working on it for a long time. Gonna make headway with that this year. All the fabrication is done on this car. I'll do a walk-around video at some point for that. As far as content you can expect, I mean, Camaro, Beretta, Blazer, Silverado, action stuff, a little bit of how-to and walk-around. Drag racing, off-roading. This should be a road course car, the Camaro, autocross. I also am going to post some vacation stuff. We've traveled all over the place. Australia, Turks and Caicos, Bahamas. There's more stuff to come there. Went down to Bradenton for Cletus and Cars at the Freedom Factory. Trying to do burnouts in rental cars, driving a right-hand drive, banging gears left-handed in Australia. Took forever to find a rental that was a stick, but we found one. Going to the beach with the wifey smoking hot. I'm on a bunch of groups on Facebook. I'm on the Beretta group, Nasty Z28, Manual Elitist Jerks. That's a good one because they all realize automatics suck. Stick around. I've got lots of good stuff, I think. Hope you guys like it too.